Most people get this wrong when trying to find receipts on the Walmart app. They open the app, tap around randomly, check the wrong section, and waste time searching for a receipt they already have access to. Here's the truth no one tells you. Finding receipts on the Walmart app is actually very easy, if you know exactly where to look. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to find your Walmart receipts on the app, how to view old purchases, how to download or share receipts, and what to do if your receipt is missing. So let's get straight into it. If you've shopped at Walmart online or in-store, digital receipts can be extremely useful. You may need them for returns, warranty, claims, expense tracking, or simply to check what you bought. But here's the problem. Not every purchase automatically shows up in the same place. And this is where most people fail. Walmart has different sections for different types of purchases. For example, online orders, in-store purchases, delivery orders, pickup orders, and Walmart Pay purchases. If you check the wrong section, you may think your receipt is gone. For example, Alex bought groceries in store and checks online orders. He sees nothing. Jake used Walmart Pay and checks purchase history. He finds it instantly. So step 1 is simple. Open the Walmart app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. This matters. A lot of users have multiple email accounts. If you're logged into the wrong one, your receipts may not appear. Now, step 2. Tap the account icon. This is usually at the bottom or top of the screen depending on your app version. Once you tap account, look for sections like Purchase History, Order History, Wallet, IT, or Walmart Pay. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your purchase was made online for shipping, pickup, or delivery, you usually want Order History. Tap it. There you'll see your recent orders. Tap any order to view details and receipt information. Simple I1. Now if your purchase was made in store, the process may be different. This is where most people fail. In-store receipts often show under Purchase History or Walmart Pay data, especially if you paid using Walmart Pay. Tap Wallet or Walmart Pay. Then check your saved receipts. Now in a minute, I'll show you what to do if your receipt is missing, because this happens a lot. Before that, let's continue. Once you find the receipt, you can usually view items purchased, price paid, taxes, date and time, store location, payment method. This is useful for returns or records. Now here's the problem. Some users need to download or share the receipt. Depending on your app version, there may be options to email receipt, take screenshot, print it later, or share it. For example, John needs a receipt for work reimbursement. He opens the app, finds the order, takes a screenshot. Done. Quick and easy. Now let's talk about finding older receipts. If the receipt isn't visible right away, scroll down through Order History, or use Search if available. Some apps let you search by item name or date. This saves time. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you used Walmart Pay in store, digital receipts are usually automatic. But if you paid with cash or another card without linking it, the receipt may not appear. That's important. For example, Alex paid cash. No linked digital record. Receipt may not show in the app. Jake used Walmart Pay. His receipt is saved automatically. This is where most people fail. They assume every receipt is automatic. Now let's talk about missing receipts. If your receipt isn't showing, try these fixes. First, refresh the app. Close and reopen it. Second, check if you're logged into the correct account. Third, update the Walmart app data. Older versions may have bugs. Fourth, check all purchase sections. Order History, Purchase History. Wallet. Walmart Pay. Fifth, wait a little longer. Some receipts take time to appear. Now here's the problem. If the receipt still doesn't show, you may need customer support. Contact Walmart support through the app or website. Provide details like purchase date, store location, payment method, and item purchased. This helps them find it faster. Now, let's talk about returns. A digital receipt can make returns easier. If the receipt is linked to your account, Walmart may scan it directly from the app. This can save time at the store. For example, John buys headphones. They don't work. He opens the app. Shows the receipt. Return processed faster. Simple. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some people use the Walmart app for expense tracking. If you buy groceries, electronics, or work supplies, keeping digital receipts helps with budgeting. You can quickly check what you spent. That's a nice bonus. Now let's quickly recap the steps. Open Walmart app Petite. Log into the correct account. Tap Account. Go to Order History for online purchases. Go to Purchase History, or Walmart, pay for in-store purchases. Tap the order or receipt. View details. Screenshot or share if needed. Simple. Now let's compare two users. Alex checks random sections. Gets frustrated. Thinks the receipt is gone. Jake knows exactly where to look. Finds it in seconds. Jake saves time. Alex wastes time. This is where most people fail. Now let's answer a common question. Can you find receipts for all purchases? Not always. Online orders usually appear. Walmart Pay purchases usually appear. Cash purchases or purchases not linked to your account may not appear. That's important to know. Now you know exactly how to find receipts on the Walmart app. No confusion. No wasted time. Just the fastest method. If this video helped you find your Walmart receipt, hit the like button. Comment below if you found yours or if it's still missing. And if you want more easy app tutorials and step-by-step guides, subscribe now so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.